Have you ever dreamt of exploring vast landscapes, iconic landmarks, and vibrant cultures? Today we venture into the heart of the United States, a land of beauty and endless exploration. From skyscrapers to mountains, bustling cities to tranquil beaches, the US offers a tapestry of experiences. Join me as we uncover 50 remarkable destinations, each with its own unique allure and story. Carved by the relentless Colorado River, the Grand Canyon showcases nature's awe-inspiring power. A geothermal wonderland, Yellowstone pulsates with geysers, hot springs, and a remarkable array of diverse wildlife and natural beauty. A global metropolis teeming with life, New York City is a symphony of diverse cultures, towering skyscrapers, and iconic landmarks. Chapter 4, Las Vegas. A dazzling oasis in the Nevada desert, Las Vegas is renowned for its entertainment, nightlife, and boundless energy. Chapter 5, San Francisco. Enchanting San Francisco with its iconic Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz Island captivates all who visit. Chapter 6, Miami. Miami pulsates with Latin rhythms, boasting Art Deco architecture, pristine beaches, and a vibrant nightlife and cultural scene. Chapter 7, Los Angeles. Home to Hollywood glamour, a thriving arts scene, and a sprawling metropolis of dreams. Chapter 8, Washington, D.C. The nation's capital, Washington, D.C., symbolizes American history and democracy with its grand monuments and museums. Chapter 9, Chicago. Rising from Lake Michigan, Chicago boasts a stunning skyline, rich architecture, and its famous deep dish pizza. Chapter 10, Orlando. A world of fantasy and imagination, home to world-renowned theme parks like Walt Disney World. Chapter 11, New Orleans. A city steeped in music, cuisine, and vibrant culture comes alive during Mardi Gras celebrations. Chapter 12, Boston. Steeped in history, Boston, with its universities and cobblestone streets, played a pivotal role in the American Revolution. Chapter 13, Seattle. Seattle, a city nestled amidst the natural beauty of the Pacific Northwest, is renowned for its iconic Space Needle, thriving coffee culture, and innovative creative spirit. Chapter 14, Honolulu. Honolulu, the capital of Hawaii, beckons with pristine beaches, vibrant culture, and Pearl Harbor's poignant history. Chapter 15, Denver. Denver, the mile-high city, serves as a gateway to the Rockies, offering breathtaking scenery and adventures. Chapter 16, San Diego. San Diego entices visitors with its beautiful coastline, zoo, and laid-back vibe. Chapter 17, Philadelphia. The city of brotherly love resonates with history, from the Liberty Bell to Independence Hall. Chapter 18, Austin. Austin, the live music capital of the world, pulsates with creativity, vibrant music, food trucks, and youthful energy. Chapter 19, Nashville. Nashville, the heart of country music, resonates with soulful sounds, attracting aspiring musicians and music lovers. Chapter 20, Portland. Portland, renowned for its lush parks, craft breweries, and thriving food scene, embodies the Pacific Northwest spirit. Chapter 21, Savannah. Savannah, with its cobblestone squares, antebellum architecture, and moss-draped oak trees, exudes southern charm, history, and hospitality. Chapter 22, Charleston. Charleston, a city steeped in history and southern elegance, boasts pastel-colored houses, horse-drawn carriages, and rich cuisine. Chapter 23, Sedona. Sedona's red rock formations and spiritual vortexes inspire visitors seeking rejuvenation. Chapter 24, Anchorage. Anchorage, Alaska's largest city, offers a gateway to breathtaking glaciers, towering mountains, and diverse, abundant wildlife. Salt Lake City, nestled amidst the Wasatch Mountains, is a hub for outdoor recreation with world-class skiing and the Great Salt Lake. Santa Fe, New Mexico's capital, captivates with its vibrant art scene, Pueblo-style architecture, and a rich, diverse cultural heritage. Key West, the southernmost point of the continental US, exudes a laid-back vibe with colorful houses, lively bars, and stunning sunsets. Chapter 28, Glacier National Park, Montana's crown jewel, showcases pristine alpine meadows, rugged peaks, and vast hiking trails. Chapter 29, Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore, a monumental tribute to 4 presidents, stands as a symbol of American history and ambition. Chapter 30, Yosemite National Park. Yosemite, with its granite cliffs, waterfalls, and giant sequoias, showcases nature's grandeur. Chapter 31, Napa Valley. California's renowned wine region invites visitors to indulge in wine tastings, scenic vineyard views, and gourmet dining. Chapter 32, Aspen. Aspen, a world-class ski destination, offers luxurious accommodations, challenging slopes, and breathtaking mountain scenery for all visitors. Chapter 33, Lake Tahoe. Straddling California and Nevada, it boasts crystal-clear waters, stunning mountain views, and year-round outdoor recreation. Chapter 34, the Florida Keys. The Florida Keys, a chain of tropical islands, entice visitors with their coral reefs, vibrant marine life, and opportunities for snorkeling, diving, and fishing adventures. Chapter 35, Big Sur. Big Sur, a rugged stretch of California's coastline, captivates with its cliffs, beaches, and ocean views. Chapter 36, The Outer Banks. The Outer Banks, a chain of barrier islands off the coast of North Carolina, offer pristine beaches, historic lighthouses, and a unique sense of tranquility. Chapter 37, The Great Smoky Mountains. A UNESCO World Heritage Site boasting stunning biodiversity, waterfalls, and miles of hiking trails. Chapter 38, The Hamptons. The Hamptons, seaside communities on Long Island, New York, are known for upscale shops, restaurants, and beaches. Chapter 39, The Black Hills. The Black Hills of South Dakota offer a mix of natural beauty, historical sites, and outdoor recreation, including Mount Rushmore, Custer State Park, and more. Chapter 40, The Ozarks. The Ozark Mountains span Missouri, Arkansas, and Oklahoma, offering rolling hills, lakes, and opportunities for fishing, boating, and hiking. Chapter 41, The Berkshires. The Berkshires in western Massachusetts are known for cultural attractions like Tanglewood and the Norman Rockwell Museum. Chapter 42, The Finger Lakes. The Finger Lakes region of New York boasts scenic lakes, rolling hills, and numerous wineries, making it a popular destination for wine lovers and outdoor fans. Chapter 43, The Adirondacks. The Adirondack Mountains of New York offer a vast wilderness area with towering peaks, pristine lakes, and endless opportunities for hiking, camping, and canoeing adventures. Chapter 44, The Catskills. The Catskill Mountains, north of New York City, offer hiking trails, scenic drives, and charming towns, making them a popular getaway. Chapter 45, The Poconos. The Pocono Mountains, located in northeastern Pennsylvania, offer a variety of resorts, amusement parks, and outdoor activities, making them a popular family vacation destination. Chapter 46, The Blue Ridge Parkway. The Blue Ridge Parkway, a scenic roadway winding through the Blue Ridge Mountains, offers breathtaking views, hiking trails, and charming mountain towns to explore. Chapter 47. The Mississippi River. The Mississippi River, America's iconic waterway, offers a glimpse into the heartland with river cruises, historical sites, and charming towns. The Everglades, a vast subtropical wilderness, is home to a unique ecosystem of alligators, crocodiles, and various bird species. The Grand Teton Mountains, Wyoming's iconic peaks, offer stunning landscapes, challenging hikes, and incredible opportunities for wildlife viewing and photography. The Badlands of South Dakota, with their rugged rock formations, offer a glimpse into a prehistoric past. As we conclude our journey through 50 captivating destinations in the United States, I hope you've been inspired to embark on your own adventures. From the towering redwoods of California to the rugged peaks of the Rockies, the United States offers experiences that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Every corner of this vast nation holds a story waiting to be discovered. Before you set off on your next adventure, click on the link in the video description. There you'll find essential travel products curated to help you plan a memorable trip. Until next time, happy travels.